Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to auto sync videos on TikTok. Want to automatically synchronize your videos on TikTok app? You can easily do it. In this video, you are going to learn it. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel. And don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, you have to open your TikTok app and hit the plus button on the main toolbar. As soon as the camera screen opens, click on the icon in the bottom right corner and choose video clips from your phone's gallery that you want to use. And tap next here. And tap adjust clips button. Find auto sync button in the bottom right corner and press on it. After that, press save button in the upper right corner. When you are ready to share your video on TikTok, simply tap next and then click on the post button. Well guys, that's all. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to auto sync videos on TikTok. Leave your comments down below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.